Good morning, class 6th. So we are in chapter electricity and circuit, and in previous lecture we talk about some electric cells and some remaining type of cell. Today we discuss. So many types of cell are available. The car battery used in a car is big and heavy. It is normally has 6 cell inside it. It can supply more current than a dry cell. Also, once exhausted, it can be charged with the help of electric charger and again used again and again. So, basic thing when we compare car battery to dry cell, then car battery consists of minimum 6 cell inside it. It is heavy and big as compared to dry cell, and once it is exhausted, then we again charge it and use again and again. The smaller cell used in mobile phone can also be charged and used again and again. Mobile cell is smaller than car battery, but it can also be charged and used again and again. Now the another type of cell is button cell. Okay, so it is a small, almost a size of a button. You can see this is button cell. Okay, so it is a small, almost the size of a button, and it is used in a small electronic device. Okay, such as wristwatch, calculator, hearing aids, etc. Some button cells have to be thrown away from using them once. Other can be charged again and again. So there are variety types of button cells are there. Some cell can be throw after use. Some can be charged again and again for further use. So this is all about button cell. Let us move to another type of cell, which is solar cell. The solar cell is a cell that directly converts solar energy into electrical energy. Solar cell is a cell that directly converts solar energy into electrical energy. Many solar cells together form a solar panel, and you have seen a calculator that works on solar cell. If calculator is not working, please put in a direct contact of sun. After some time, when their cell get charged, then calculator start working. So a large number of solar cell can be used to give electrical power to human made satellite in outer space, and solar cell in a solar panel gives power to street light and water pump in a remote place where there is no electricity. So solar panel is used to give electrical power to man-made. Solar cell is used to give electrical power to man-made satellite. When satellite in a space goes in a space, and it is also give power to water pump and to generate electricity in a remote area where no electricity are there yet. Okay, so this is all about solar cell, and chapter is finished now. So in this chapter we will discuss we discussed about electricity and circuit, in which the first topic is electric cell, and then after we talk about terminals, filaments. Then after I taught you about electrical energy, how electric current flow from positive terminal to negative terminals. There are two types of circuit: closed circuit, open circuit, okay, or complete and broken circuit. Then conductors, insulators, and electric cells like dry cells, car battery, button cell, and solar cell. So electricity is a form of energy. That flow of electricity is electric current, and it can flow through conductors, it cannot flow through insulators. Electricity produced by using energy of burning coal in powerhouse. Electricity produced by using energy of wind through windmill. Electricity produced by using energy of flowing water from dam on river, making dam. And electricity produced by using energy of sunlight by solar cell. And chemicals, electrical cells. So this is all about electricity, and you must read this chapter and complete exercise and submit in school. Okay, now I am going to start new chapter, which is fun with magnets. Please see the first page of this chapter, fun with magnets. Okay, so this is chapter number 14. So first question is, what is magnet? Let us see the history of magnet. More than 2500 years ago, the Greek discovered a certain type of black stone that had the power to attract a piece of iron. Means 2500 years ago, Greeks, the people live in Greek country, who discovered a black stone which has a very exception property to attract a piece of iron. The Greeks named the rock magnetite. Magnetite is made up of mainly of a chemical called iron oxide, and it was also found that if a piece of that stone was suspended freely, it always come to rest pointed north and south direction. So first property of this black stone is to attract a piece of iron, and second, when you suspend a rectangular shape of magnet, when it come in rest, then there are 2 points pointed north and south direction, always come to rest pointing in a north south direction. So earlier it is used, and now also in making it is used to make a compass. So it is used in a measuring or detecting that direction in a different circumstance, in a different place. Any material that has property of attracting iron is called magnet. It's called magnet.